Thanks for watching our user guide. Firstly, when you receive the machine for the first time, you will see the main cabinet, the master unit, the air tube, the water tube, the microscope, the small tool, Allen wrench, and the keys for the power cord, and the foot switch. Everything is here. Okay, the first step, we need to connect the power supply. This unit supports 110 volts or 220 volts for different countries. And second, to connect the foot switch. Third step, it is a outer diameter 6 mm air tube to connect to your own argon gas bottle. The fourth step is to insert the water pipe. The left one is for inlet and the right one is for draining. Now let's go back to the front. Insert the K-switch. And mount the microscope. We use 2.0 Allen wrench. As you can see, in 4 directions there are 4 screws. You must keep the scope vertical to your eye view. Flip over the screen. Turn emergency switch and turn the K switch. Firstly, we need to fill the water. Please remember the password is 9 digits. Okay, confirm. Press the pump button to start pumping. When the water tank is full, the pump will stop automatically. Then we can press the on button to start the charging of the power unit. Now you can see on the right top, it shows off. It means the system is now on.